What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and right now we are going to finalize this Jowset air purifier. For one, I just want to say I like the design of this. It actually, when somebody walk in your house, it looked like an air conditioner. Nobody even knows what this thing is, but this is an air purifier. First thing is first, let's get this out the way. If you want to take the filter off, it comes off from the bottom. Alright, so flip it on its back, unlock, and they have a lock right here, and there's an arrow. So what you do is turn it to unlock, and usually it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is the filter. Now, I did not check to see how much a replacement filter costs, but if I find it while I'm editing, then I will show it to y'all. Now we are going to put it in. Now to put it in, you have this slot right here, and you match up your other slots. Oops, and I have it on. I touched it by accident. It has rubber boots so it don't scratch up your surface. Alright, so you do need a power supply from 100 to 240 volts will supply power for this, and it is rated at 48 watts, okay? Just for the people that want to know about their energy bill. The noise level ranges from 22 to 53 dB. They have the operation conditions, and it says it removes 99.97%. 99.97% of airborne particles. This thing has an air quality indicator display chart. Blue is very good, and red, as you know, in the industry, red is not so good, right? It has 4 speeds of fan power. Now the highest speed is the one that circulates the most air, just to let everybody know that. So we are going to go ahead and turn it on, and we are going to test the decibel levels while we're doing that. So it says it ranges from 22 to 53 decibels. Obviously I'm in my studio right now and I'm talking, so let me be quiet as possible. Alright, so we're at 20 decibels in the studio, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is turn the fan on 1, and we're going to see how much it goes up from 20. I'm not going to talk no more because I don't want it to interfere with the decibel level. So let me get it back to 20. Air comes in from the bottom. This is where the filter is. Air comes in from here and it flows up, okay? Now something like your furnace or your AC system, you know how you have the filter and the arrow tells you airflow this way. Same thing with this. So airflow this way and comes up, and then all the dust and all the particles come into here. And right here you have your handles. You got 2 handles, and this thing is very light. It's not like an AC unit where you need 3 people to lift it. Alright, you guys, so on the back they said this is an air sensor cover. So that is your air sensor. And on the bottom right here you have your power source. So this is how you hook up your power right here. This is the power button, okay? Y'all know what the power button do. Now right here we have our fan mode. So we have fan on level 1, level 2, that would be 3, and the 4th one is turbo mode. Alright, so if you look at the chart, from 0 to like 35 is like good air quality, even with us being on turbo. I think maybe you might have to leave it on here for a while. Obviously I just turned it on. Once you hit fan button again, it goes on auto mode. And you know it's on auto mode because you have the A and the circle. Right here, sleeping mode. Just because it's sleep don't mean it's powered off. So this is HEPA right here. That indicator is to replace your filter or you're indicating right there that the filter is new. All right, we're not going to touch that button because this filter is brand new. Now over here you have your timer. Tap that. Now we set a 1 hour timer. If you hit it once, you obviously got to hit it again. 2 hour timer, 3, 4, 5, and it goes all the way to 12. Over here is the lock button. This is a child lock. I think child lock is necessary for this. More than likely you're going to have this in a low area. Kids tend to get handy, especially those toddlers, right? So if you press it, nothing happens, but you have to hold it. So we hold it down and the lock comes on. Now the toddler comes, they can even hit the lock button, nothing happens. To take it off of the child lock, you have to hold it. And there you go. You can power it off. Simple as that, you guys. That is it as far as these functions go. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Link will be in the description, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.